Hi folks, this is Christopher Gatelock. I wanted to show you step by step the process of placing an order from my e-commerce website, cgatelock.com. Most all of my work is located in my art galleries. So in the header, you would click on Art Galleries. Next, you would find the gallery that you want to go to. And I have my galleries are set up either by genre or location of where the base images from my art were captured. Suppose you're interested in waterfalls. You would double click on the Waterfalls Art Gallery. And then suppose after looking, you like the Rogi Falls artwork. You would double click on that. Next, it brings you to the product page. And here, there's general information about the location, about Rogi Falls, also information about my materials and some of how I create my artwork. You also have a drop-down list, and this is where you actually you find the options for the artwork you're interested in. You click on the drop-down menu. You'll see I offer various sizes of metallic G-clay prints, of limited edition canvas issues. I also have greeting cards available, and I have calendars as well, but the calendars are actually located in the header calendar location here, and I actually have another video specifically for calendars that will explain how to order your custom-made calendar. But suppose for the time being you're interested in buying a 30 by 20 metallic G-clay of Rogi Falls. You click on that, it brings up the price. Now let me point out in the process here that I'm set up to be able to take virtually any currency, specifically in the Europe and the US, but other countries as well. You can actually go to the block here with currencies, click that, and you can pick out your currency. So for instance, you're in France, which their currency there is euros. You click on euro. Now that automatically will change all of the pricing to euros, so you can see what it's going to cost you in your currency. And this is true, this will follow you throughout the entire checkout process. But set for now, let's say we're going to stay in dollars, and we're interested in buying a 30 by 20 metallic G-clay. It'll show you the price. There's a quantity box, so if you want to purchase more than one, you can click that box to up the amount. The next step, if you're interested only in purchasing this one particular piece of art, you would click on the Add to Cart button. When you do that, if you want to see the cart, you go up to the Cart button in the upper right-hand corner. You can click that, and in the right-hand side, it'll show you what you have placed in your cart. This is placed here, so if you're purchasing more than one piece of art, you can keep up with what you've actually placed in your cart before actually going to see the cart. All right, if you want to view your cart, you're ready to check out, click the View Cart and bring you to the cart. Here it shows what you are interested in purchasing, the price, the subtotal, and also the shipping right here in the cart. Right underneath there, there's a location icon. You can click on this and actually pick the country or the United States and the state, if you live in the United States, to find out what the shipping will be to your actual location. For now, we'll just leave it in Pennsylvania, United States, where on this particular item, there's free shipping. Now, if you want to check out using your PayPal account, you can do this shortcut, and it'll take you right straight to actually process the entire order in PayPal. If you're interested in using another form of payment, such as a debit or credit card, you can click on the checkout button. And that will take you to the checkout page. And here, this page works just like virtually any e-commerce website checkout you'll find. You put in all the pertinent information. After that, you want to click on the delivery method. Of course, we can't go there right now because I haven't put an address in here. But when it goes to the delivery method, basically it's going to verify what it's already telling you here in the summary. The price of the shipping and approximately how many days it'll take to get to you. The next place you go is the payment. That's where you place your credit card information. And then after you do that, you review and place your order. And that pretty much is it. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.